again lo online na devotion play Yumi. As Yumi kono ni lo Yumi start look through the devotions play Yumi and Yumi start talk about the glory of God whereby me reveal. Yumi still kono ni lo believe in God, lo manifestation lo glory play Him, manifestation lo power play Him, manifestation lo presence play Him by come bigger like never before. The book of Ezekiel chapter 43 verses 2. Where I saw the brightness of the glory of Israel's God coming from the east. The sound I heard as loud as ocean wave, and everything around was shining with dazzling brightness of His glory. I believe that there's a sound of the glory of God coming. Jesus in dalam selidol man ulikat sora releasing the one who spirit of God is aptal. As we start the time where you believe in that God will be revealing glory to Him, there's a sound of a mighty wave of His glory. Wave in no command no river, wave in no command no soul, but wave in command no ocean. It is a wave of the glory of God. And we've been talking about our previous devotions for you, that God may want to manifest in glory to Him. Everyone and every man looking glory to Him. Everyone and every man witnessing the manifestation of His glory. Blood say yes, God got power. And we want to continue blow me say alone. Lord bless me help me. Lord you me look Himself at times and season where you start playing there from you believe that God may want to manifest in glory to Him. It's a sound of a mighty wave of His glory rising on the horizon. And we believe that you and I, we will be part of this great wave of the glory of God. Psalm 72 verses 9, may the praise be to His glorious name forever. May the whole earth be filled with His glory. Whole world is full of the glory. Time darkness is up, crisis is hitting Yumi. Every time when Yumi will man God, the glory will go to reveal. So we believe that the sound of that mighty wave of His glory by Him come. It's already happening. It's already manifesting. And you need to tune me correctly, align me correctly, Lord, word to God from you. We believe that you will start the prophetic fulfillment of the word of God. And got the new levels of manifestation of glory play. New levels of power play will be start manifested. New levels of His goodness will be start demonstrated. And we believe that we are part of this greater glory of God will be revealed, and we are the generation will be witnessing. And God may want to display the glory play. Numbers chapter 14 verses 21, and tell them, nevertheless, as surely as I live, and as surely as the glory of the Lord fills the whole heaven. Pukul Numbers sa bisa talang. As surely as the Lord lives, glory bless my full glory. If we tell them, God, when you may life stop, you may witnessing the greater manifestation of the glory of God. John chapter 11 verses 40. Jesus dalam mata, Mary. Did I not say to you that if you would believe, you would see the glory of God? Glory of God, they be manifested during the one time, the temple Lazarus, lo mata mo Mary, emi one circumstances ya rise with the Father. Semak lo yung minay crisis you stop rise na ya, every time the God by dalam say, if you only believe, you will see my glory. You start watching me. Do you believe that you can see the glory of God within? Lord, crisis will happen now. Jesus is upon believing. If you only believe, you will see my glory. Problem is, God will be helping you and helping me blow. You will believe. You will come to a place where we believe His word. That if He said He will manifest His glory, He will manifest His glory. So we promise you, we say, the glory of the latter days will be the glory of the latter days will be greater than the former. Then we need to believe His word will be manifested. And you and I, we are in a generation by looking at greater glory, by we manifested the word of life for you. By we looking powerful, God will be demonstrated more like never before. And you need to start to declare the word of life for you. We need to start to declare the word of nation for you, declare the word of home for you, declare the one community we establish. We declare that the glory of God will come. And you will start to say to me, I declare the glory of God will come upon your life. I declare the glory of God will come upon your family. I declare the glory of God will come upon your leadership, upon your church, upon your business, or whatever you shall make. I declare the manifestation of the glory of God will come. And will become in a greater way. You will establish in the sound of voice preeminent. I declare will become upon your life right now. In the name of Jesus. May you walk with the glory of God. May you walk with the presence of heaven. And by me looking, God will be displayed in a greater way. Father, I give you praise, I give you thanks, O God, Lord. You start to talk with me, Father, you manifest the glory, please. You assume me, Father, what please say. As long as you live, you will manifest your glory. And Lord, we will start looking glory, please, start manifesting all the life, Father. I declare upon this nation of VANUATU. I declare upon Lucanville, Kingstown. I declare upon Port Vila. I declare upon every 6 province of VANUATU. That glory of the Lord will be revealed to every life. And we give you praise in Jesus' name.